Thanks, Corey. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye. When we return, the issue of transgenderism. Is the media turning the corner on transgenderism? The radical aspects of it. We'll talk about that when we return. You're listening to the Jim Polito Show, our safe space.
I'm Jim Gagliardi, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. Rhode Island State House will reopen to the public on June 1st. Governor McKee announcing today the building will open back up with some limitations between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. Rhode Island Senate set to discuss a bill that will make feminine hygiene products free in all public schools for students in grades 6 through 12. In sports, it's the Red Sox in Atlanta tonight. Playoff basketball, Celtics and Nets. Nets lead the series 1 game to go. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you, it finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So, while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job in ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. You've heard of one and done, but what about 100 and done? That's what Lexicon is for attorneys. $100 a month to be done with practice management headaches. Lexicon is a comprehensive software and services solution that helps transform law firms from top to bottom, giving lawyers the ability to focus more on law and less on practice management. We've spent more than a decade helping firms scale and grow while maximizing billable hours and increasing client satisfaction. Let us do the same for you. Lexicon, mark the spot. Visit lexiconservices.com to learn more or request a demo. Progressive Motorcycle presents Road Wisdom from Motor. Ride confidently in the direction that you dream. Fast is the back. Then turn around and go the other way.
conservative, son of a